The Supreme Court of India has raised serious concerns over the Special Intensive Revision, or SIR, of voter lists in West Bengal. During Monday's hearing, a bench led by Chief Justice Surya Kant and Justice Joymalia Bagchi made it clear this is not a battle between the state government and the Election Commission of India. Instead, the real issue is that the common voter is getting caught in the middle. Justice Bagchi posed a crucial question to the Election Commission. He said, imagine a situation where the winning margin in an election is just 2%, but 15% of voters are unable to vote. What happens then? He emphasized that this is not a hypothetical concern, but a serious issue that the court is actively thinking about. However, the court refused to grant interim voting rights to those voters whose names were deleted during the SIR process and whose appeals are still pending. The judges said allowing this could overwhelm the appellate tribunals and disrupt the legal process. At the same time, the Supreme Court made its stance clear. It will intervene only if the number of excluded voters is large enough to impact election results. Now, let's look at the scale of the issue. In West Bengal, the voter list has seen a massive reduction. Around 90 lakh names have been deleted, which is nearly 11.85% of the total voters. The total voter count has dropped from 7.66 crore to about 6.76 crore. What's even more concerning is that a large number of deletions have taken place in districts along the Bangladesh border. For example, in North 24 Pargana, more than half of the identified voters in certain areas have reportedly been removed. Across the country, the impact is even bigger. Under the second phase of SIR, covering 12 states and union territories, over 6 crore voter names have been removed. States like Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh have also seen significant drops in voter numbers. Meanwhile, the political temperature is rising. A delegation from the Trinamool Congress, led by Derek O'Brien, recently met the Election Commission in Delhi. The party alleged that they were not given enough time and were treated poorly during the meeting. On the other hand, sources in the Election Commission claimed that the TMC leaders were disruptive and unwilling to listen. The court also acknowledged the pressure on officials handling the SIR process. Justice Bagchi noted that when officers are reviewing over 1,000 documents daily under strict deadlines, expecting 100% accuracy is unrealistic. Even 70% accuracy, he said, would be considered very good under such conditions. Because of this, the court stressed the need for a strong and efficient appellate system. Currently, around 34 lakh appeals are pending, and tribunals are already under heavy burden. This case is now shaping up to be one of the most critical electoral issues ahead of the West Bengal elections. The big question remains, if lakhs of voters are unable to cast their votes, can the election truly reflect the will of the people? And if the number of excluded voters is greater than the winning margin, will the Supreme Court step in? All eyes are now on the next hearing.